Imperial is always looking for good people. Please submit a resume for us to review. So you can just click apply now. This small town in the province of Manitoba, Canada has finally unveiled the list of designated employers to participate in the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program. A lot of people are taking advantage of this pathway. Whether you stay positive or you think it's not achievable, some organizations are even mapping out, their quota for the month or for the year. And this implies that a lot of people are becoming permanent residents in Canada while you're still wondering if this is achievable or not. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the list of the designated employers and we are going to explore their websites together. Of course, this pathway has its own shortfall, and one of the shortfall is that you are competing with foreign workers that are already in Canada. Some designated employers are just there to assist their current staff, but don't rule out the fact that there are other designated employers that are actively looking to hire foreigners from outside Canada. The competition may be very high, but the way to position yourself for this amazing opportunity is if you're able to send as many applications to different employers. You only need one of these employers to approve you, and that will be worth all the stress you have ever gone through trying to relocate. The good part of this pathway is that it's so smooth and easy. Once you're able to secure a job offer, you are as good as a permanent resident of Canada, because once you get your job offer, your employer is going to assist you apply for your recommendation, and once you get your recommendation, you can go ahead to apply for your permanent residency. This is one of the easiest pathways to become a permanent resident in Canada. So I want you to give it your best. This is just an encouragement. Don't give up. You only need one of these employers. Some of these employers are not even currently recruiting, like I said earlier. Some of them have filled the quota they have. Some of them are still recruiting. So just do your due diligence, do your search job bank, search Indeed, different job platforms, check their website, send direct email to them that you are interested, you are outside Canada. Send a very attractive cover letter, package yourself, package your resume. Make sure it is in standard Canadian format. Send an email to them. I am interested. This is what I'm bringing to the table. This is what I have the capacity of doing. Especially if you have skills. And you'll just be shocked at just one employer responding to you and giving you the support you need to move to Canada. So guys, please, before we move on, do well to like this video. And if you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on your bell notification so that you will not miss any update that can assist your relocation journey. And if you have any question or comment, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. So this is the list released by this community, STEM Back Economic Development, and these are the designated employers. Boston Pizza, we have a good number of them here, recruiting from different sectors. So I'm going to attach the list to the video description so you can go ahead and check them out. But before the end of this video, I'm going to take you through their websites, as many as we can explore together. So before then, let me show you the eligible occupations for this community. If your occupation is not on the priority occupation list, don't even bother to send your application. So that is very important before you start exploring this opportunity. So here is the priority occupation list. We have professional occupations in advertising, marketing and public relations, accounting technicians and bookkeeper, agricultural representative, consultants and specialists, business system specialists, database analysts and data administrators, industrial manufacturing engineers, drafting technologists and technicians, construction estimators, general practitioners and family physicians, registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, licensed practical nurses, animal health technology and veterinary technicians, pharmacy technicians, massage therapists, nurses, aides, orderlies and patient service associates, lawyers and Quebec notaries, early childhood educators and assistants, retail and wholesale trade managers, food services supervisors, insurance agents and brokers, construction managers, welders and related machine operators, heavy duty equipment mechanics, automotive service technicians, truck and bus mechanics, and mechanical repairers, electrical mechanics. So if your occupation is on that list, then you are eligible to apply to this community. So the intake periods began in June, 2nd of June to 15th. So they are done with the first round. So the second round will be coming up on the 2nd of July to 15th of July. They receive application from the 1st of that month, if it's a working day, till 15th of the month. So that's when you can submit your application for the community recommendation. So if you miss the one for July, they have quota for each of the months till December. Just take note of the intake periods for your recommendation application. So now let's explore the website of these designated employers. So guys, once you click any of these employer, it will take you directly to the website. So you can just choose to click any of these employers. So this particular organization, offer cleaning services. Let us do the dirty work so you don't have to. These are the services they render. So you can just come here and see their contact details. You can send them an email. This is another one, Imperial Metal Industries. So you just have to come down here to check their career page. So that's how you can find the career page of the organization. So you can see careers. Just click on careers and it will take you to the available opportunities they have. You can see Imperial is always looking for good people. Please submit a resume for us to review. So you can just click apply now, and this is the current opportunity they have, and they say it is open until filled. So if you're a welder, please take advantage of this opportunity. They may not have someone to take up this opportunity in Canada as we speak. And so if you are a welder or you know anyone that have the skill, please do them this good. Let them send their CV right now to this organization. So you're going to have to fill this form and upload your resume. Then here you can just copy your cover letter and place it here. Then you're going to click submit button and they are going to get back to you. So here is another one, Penco Construction. If you're in the construction field, this is a leading construction company committed to creating safe, inclusive and thriving communities where every person has the opportunity to live their dreams. So they already have about 500 plus employees. They are located in 200 communities and all of that. So you can view their projects. These are the ongoing project they are currently embarking on, and this particular one is located in Back. So and that's why they are recruiting people to work on these projects. They're looking for project manager among others. So these are the responsibilities. Just go through it, and these are the requirements. So if you meet these requirements, then you can go ahead to apply. You're going to see apply now. Only those selected for an interview will be contacted. So guys, you can also reach out to them via call or email. That's their contact address. So there are other roles that you can actually apply for. Let's check out project coordinator. So just click on it and it will bring you here, so you can as well see the responsibilities as well as the qualification that is required of you. If you meet up with this requirement, just click on apply now. So guys, just go through the list and check out any of these employers that offers opportunity in your field and see if you qualify for the offer they currently have. Take advantage of it, give it the best shot. Make sure your cover letter and your resume looks very attractive. Package yourself well. Send in your applications to as many employers as possible, and go ahead to pray to God to shine his light on you, and I pray you'll be highly favored and selected. So I wish you the very best of luck in your applications till I see you in my next video.